All right, guys, it's your wishy-washy moonshiner. Still got my church clothes on, but my nephew showed up and hell, we decided to fire up the moonshiner, so turned on the camera. Let's see how it goes. So like 7 months. Okay, hit switch back there and look for fire, smell for smoke, and I'm gonna spin it over until I get about 20 pounds oil pressure, and I'm just gonna try to light it. Open that door up over there, please, sir. Pull that gel out of the thing too. Thank you, nephew. That easy. We got a plug wire crossed or something. I never touched the gas.
Yeah.
I don't know which one it is, but that's what that is. Okay.
Well, a little smoke coming up from back here.
Or did I forgot to turn the fuel pump on? I didn't turn the fuel pump on.
Is your lane popping?
Let's try that one more time. It's been a long time since I've been in this truck.
That sounds like a 12 gauge in my ear hole, though. Yeah, we didn't have that.
We didn't have that noise.
No, we didn't have it. Now we have it. Way off. It's like slow. I ain't even, you know. Normally it would be way crispier than that. But I bet you anything when I move the crank trigger. Yeah.
So I really need to retime it. It don't even sound responsive.
No, it sounds way tamer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whereas normally it's...
Well, I knew as soon as I put my foot on the gas pedal, pop! I was like, oh yeah, something ain't right. Yeah.
Out of time.
Yeah. But that's not too awful bad because I'm going to say cross plug wire. That's what I think. We just need to track them back down and we just let it get 500 degrees real quick.
Yeah, they're real hot now.
Yeah.
It did not take long.
We're gonna have to check the plug wires. We'll come back at you. Guys, it's the Moonshiner here, man. I hate to interrupt y'all's video, but I just want to let y'all know we want to really appreciate the people that's been supporting the channel. We've created another way for y'all to support the channel, and that's become a member. I will. Ryan wants me to let y'all know that there may be some profanity in the future in Moonshiner Garage, so watch with caution. He said there will be profanity in the video, so be careful what you're watching. I think that's what he said. But I said become a member. And everything around... Yes, dude, I put them on. It makes me look dramatic when I have the headset on, dude. It catches people's attention. Everything's going to be real around here and around Moonshiner Garage from now on. Nothing you see will be fake. What's that? It's real. It's all real. And... well, basically, as a group, we just want to let y'all know we appreciate y'all watching the channel. Jake said he appreciates y'all support of Prime Dime Racing. And together, we're going to be starting to make a lot of content. Some of it's going to be members only. So hit the button below and become a part of Moonshiner Garage and get to see some videos a hell of a lot faster than some of these other folks.
Okay, I went in and put some appropriate gear on. It's 179 degrees here in Texas, and the Moonshiner was about 400,000 degrees. Well, me and nephew figured out how to, had 2 plug wires crossed, so we'll try it again. Should sound a little bit more crispier.
V6 combos, everybody's ass.
Everybody know that.
Come on, man.
Everybody know that. Fuel.
to it.
Yep.
Well, girl, still sounds good, don't it? That's all it needed right there. We were hoping to make temperature on this deal, but that's the one thing that ain't working. The temperature gauge ain't working, and it looks like we might have sprung a leak in that radiator in the back, because you know when they hit the wall, you know?
Shit moves.
Yeah, shit breaks. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take a look at that. It definitely is dripping. Good thing about it, I ain't got no heater core, so most likely it'll get a couple teaspoons of pepper and we'll send that son gun.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're ready for alignment, baby. Come on.